Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off in email messages on your LinkedIn app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, just switching to show for you window like this, and you just click here on data privacy here, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down, then you come here to messages, you will click here, then it's going to take you to next window, and you just come here to mail in messages, you will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color it's gone, that's mean in mail messages it's turned off now. I wish know you I give it. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.